When I got the invitation to join a 4-day trip to Miyagi Prefecture, I hopped on the chance to experience the region's winter wonders. And in this video, I want to share with you what I found. From awe-inspiring sights to culinary delights, Miyagi offers a wealth of wonders for the eager explorer. My name is Mizhelle. You're watching Tokyo Fast 3. This is Miyagi. Starting at number 12, we have the Fujishiro Seiji Fairy Tale Salon. I stumbled into this place by accident. It wasn't even part of the tour, but it was so magical that I had to share it with you. Fujishiro Seiji is a shadow artist who uses razors and colored paper to create magnificent works of art. In this small museum, I found his interpretation of some of the most memorable places I've visited, like Miharutaki Zakura in Fukushima and the Genbaku Dome in Hiroshima. You can find this museum in the next place on this list, which is number 11, Kanezaki Kamaboko Factory. If you've watched my What to Eat in Matsushima video, you'd know that Sasa Kamaboko is one of the local delicacies of Miyagi Prefecture. They are grilled fish cakes shaped like bamboo leaves, and at Kanezaki, you can watch how they're made as well as experience making one for yourself. There's also a restaurant where you can enjoy freshly made kamaboko along with bamboo steamed mackerel and vegetables. At number 10 is another local treat, Umen. It's a specialty of Shiroishi City, located in the southern part of Miyagi Prefecture. These are similar to somen noodles but are said to be healthier because no oil is added to them. They're also shorter in length, only 9 centimeters long, making them easy to eat. I had my first bowl of umen at Miyazushi, where we enjoyed the noodles paired with 3 different dips. I really liked the walnut one. It was slightly sweet and savory at the same time. Number 9 is the last local delicacy on this list, Gyutan. That's grilled beef tongue, the specialty of Miyagi's capital city, Sendai. Usually served with rice and soup, these tongue slices are tender and packed with flavor. It has a smoky aroma that comes from being grilled over charcoal, which adds a rich depth to its taste. It's a must-try when visiting Miyagi. Number 8, Homei Shijuhachi Falls. This hidden gem can be found on the way to Sakunami Hot Springs. The layered waterfall is a stunning sight throughout the seasons, and the sound of the rushing water is said to resemble the cry of a phoenix, which is where the name Homei comes from. Number 7, Nikka Whisky Miyagikyo Distillery. You can't really bring up Japanese whiskey without mentioning the famous brand Nikka, and one of their distilleries can be found in Miyagi. Visitors can tour the factory and learn about the intricate production process, as well as enjoy a complimentary tasting session. Unfortunately, taking videos wasn't allowed, but the tour and tasting session sure were a treat. Number 6, Matsushima Bay Cruise. Matsushima Bay is known as one of Japan's 3 most scenic views, and on this 50-minute cruise, you can glide through 250 pine-clad islands scattered throughout the bay. While staying on the top deck is the best way to take in the stunning view, it gets really cold in winter. Luckily, you can sit down and stay warm on the second floor of the boat while still enjoying the view and chatting with friends. Number 5, Ichigo World. For me, winter isn't complete without strawberry picking, which is why I was really happy we got to visit Ichigo World. It's located in the town of Yamamoto, one of northern Japan's leading producers of strawberries. Ichigo World has a homegrown variety called Hanamigaki, and it's not available anywhere else. It has a flowery scent and is sweet and juicy. Number 4, Shiroishi Castle. This meticulously reconstructed castle belonged to the Katakura clan, among the powerful samurai warlords of the Edo period. It was fascinating to learn down to the detail how the castle was built to protect it from attacking enemies. For example, the windows are shaped to fit either a gun or a bow and arrow, and these slits on the floor, they were there so that people inside the castle could throw rocks at anyone attempting to climb it. When you go inside and climb to the top, you also get a sweeping view of the city. Number 3, Onsen. Nothing beats a warm and relaxing soak in the hot springs after a day out in the snow. We stayed at 3 amazing Onsen Ryokan in Miyagi Prefecture, and not only did we enjoy the therapeutic properties of their mineral-rich waters, we also feasted on exquisite course meals and buffets, as well as slept in cozy and comfy futon. I cannot recommend recharging in an onsen enough. It's a must when traveling to any part of Japan. Number 2, Zuiganji. This historic temple was first built in the Heian period and later refurbished by feudal lord Date Masamune in the early 17th century. The approach to the temple has long been impressive because it's a cave-lined path where monks used to meditate. But after the 2011 earthquake and tsunami, it became even more awe-inspiring because the tsunami stopped before reaching the main hall of the temple, a miracle in modern times, one might say. Today, the line where the tsunami stopped is marked with a wooden sign. And finally, at number 1 are the Juhyo, or snow monsters of Zao. No, they're not scary creatures, they are trees covered in thick layers of snow that make them look like towering monsters. This natural phenomenon only occurs under specific weather conditions, making it a rare, fantastic sight. On the Miyagi side of Mount Zao, these monsters are accessible through a snowcat vehicle that takes you to an altitude of 1,600 meters. Truly an exhilarating sight. And those are the top 12 things I saw and experienced on my winter trip to Miyagi Prefecture. For me, the places, the food, the hot springs, they were all wonderful, but the fascinating people I met made it all the more special. I hope this video helps you plan your trip, and I hope it turns out to be a memorable one. This has been Mizhelle for Tokyo Pass 3. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!